itinerary means a piece of paper of your list plan.
Hai teman-teman, jangan lupa subscribe ya.
Hey, smart people! Welcome back to this channel again, and today we're going to learn how to speak more professionally in business situations. And we're going to look at the common expression or common example. Go on to the first example. Email, but in English business you say I received your email, so you change the word got into receive. Go on to the second example. I need your help. That's in regular English, but in business English you say I require some assistance. So you just need to change need into require. That's more formal language. Go on to the third example. Let's talk about this letter. That's in regular English. But in business English, you just say, let's discuss it later. You just change it, talk about with discuss. That's more formal language. Go on to the fourth example. How do I get in touch with her? That's in regular English. But in business English, you just say, how do I contact her? So you just change word get in touch with contact. Go on to the fifth example. Please make sure you arrive on time. That's in regular English. But in business English, you say, please ensure you arrive on time. So you change word make sure with ensure. That's the formal language. Go on to the sixth example. Please give her your travel plans. That's in regular English. But in business English, you say, please provide her with your itinerary. An itinerary means a piece of paper of your list plans. Go on to the seventh example. Please let them know when you'll be arriving. That's in regular English. But in business English, you just need to say, please inform them of your arrival. Go on to the next example. Please tell me why you made this decision. That's in regular English. But in business English, you just need to say, please explain me your decision. Go on to the next example. Could you please talk some more about this subject? That's in regular English. But in business English, you just say, please elaborate on that. Go on to the next example. How are you going to fix this problem? That's in regular English. example. Please like this video and subscribe this. Bye bye.